Good day everyone, welcome back to my Unreal Engine third person shooters series. So in this episode I am trying to implement an impact particle system using Niagara particle system that's introduced newly by the Unreal Engine. So this system I have created with the Niagara particle system, this impact particle. So that's what I'm going to cover today. I'm gonna start from scratch and create the particle system for the impact particle. And this episode is sponsored by these generous Patreons. Thank you very much for the support you guys are giving me. Okay, so at the moment this is the particle effect that I have when I shoot at some place. So this is a cascade particle system, and I want to try and create a new system with Niagara particle system. So I'll create a new folder here, P impacts, in my particles folder, and here under the effects I'll create a Niagara system, and I'll choose this directional burst. I'll name it P impact. And if you don't see this effects option, you can simply go to plugins and enable Niagara, this one, and restart the editor. You will see the option. Right, now this is the particle effect we have, and we can't use this alone. In Niagara you have to create a system, create Niagara system like this. So this is what we have to spawn in the world in order to take the effect, and this is the place I'm spawning my cascade particle system to show the bullet impact. So here I'll create a new node, spawn system at location under Niagara. So I will use this node instead of this one, so that I can replace the current particle system with the Niagara system, and I'll use this P impact system. And for the location I'll give this out hit impact point, and for the rotation I'll give the rotation from X vector taken from this out hit impact normal. We worked on these things before. I hope you remember. If you don't, you can refer to previous videos. Alright, so now let's see the Niagara system in action. Right, yeah, I have by mistake I have left the speaker muted. Now we have the sound, sorry about that. Okay, so now as you can see, the Niagara particles are being spawned on the bullet hit location. Like this, and the particles are emitting perpendicular to the surface that we hit. But as you can see, you don't see any collisions from the particles. They can even go through surfaces, as like here. Okay, so now let's see how to enable collisions. Let me open the particle system, and here you can see the options. I think 75 spawn count is too much. Let's try something like 15. So 50 particles, that would be enough, I guess. And to add collision, I have to do that under particle update section. So here, let's go to collision and add a collision module. The module has unmet dependencies. The following post dependency is not met. Solve forces and velocity. Alright, so I think we can fix it by using this button. Yeah, solve forces and velocity is added here. And shall we use GPU compute sim? I think that's good for performance. I'm not sure because I'm still learning this system. Alright, let's see what happens now. Oh, now we have the collisions. But we do see the particles when we shoot. So like this, but we don't get particles when I hit on the ground. Maybe, yeah, maybe when I shoot, the particles are spawned maybe a little bit below the ground, so the particles, because of the collisions, they don't move up. I guess that's the reason. I'm not sure. So yeah, so I think I can, yeah, let's try spawn in this spawn in this system a little bit off from the surface that the bullet is being hit. So yeah, we can do it like this. Let's add a vector to this vector and some distance away from the impact point. So like this, get the impact normal and multiply it with maybe 5 would be enough. Let's see. Okay, let's try. Right, I think it's working. Okay, that's good enough, I guess. Okay, one more thing, just to complete this session, instead of white, let's try another color for the particles, a more general color than white. So I think let's try something like ash color. Or maybe like brown. Let's compile and see. Okay, so so I'm gonna stop this episode at this point, and if you want to access other episodes of this series, you can refer to my Patreon page. There you can see all the episodes. And if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of my Patreon club. Link would be in the description below. And thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.